There's Lucas Arthur. Say hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Say, I am 1 week and, almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow I will be 2 weeks old. And I gained 2 ounces. And I keep scratching my face up. Oh my gosh. Big scratch. Can you say hi?
Say hi, Lucas.
Say hi.
Buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, Mom, I have a big poopy in my pants. I need changed. Okay, that's all for now. That's all for now.